So speaking once more about the how wonderful pilgrimages are now that it is pilgrimage season, and I just found another one today in honor of Saint Dymphna um, in Ohio that I've never heard of, and it's, as I said in the first short that I did, kind of gotta just search around. Well, seek and you shall find, I guess. But it's there are many local pilgrimages organized anywhere from 1 to 2 days, or maybe a week or more, depending on the length of the organized walk. But it's incredible. And another thought that I had after was that the beauty of the Rosary really shines forth on pilgrimages because it's so conducive to group prayer. I mean, I've even been on ones where it really draws people in that are, from other groups. Um, and they just join other people that they don't even know, and start praying with them. And even if it's sung, even if there's sung in Latin, you pick up the hymn, pick up the tune pretty quickly, and it's beautiful. And especially the traditional 15 decades of the Rosary, which I love so much, which I think is an absolute miraculous powerhouse, which takes a bit of time to work up to. But I think that most people uh, don't entertain the possibility of doing consistently because they think it's all in one shot. You don't have to do it like that. Saint Louis de Montfort in The Secret of the Rosary says, break it up into the three sets of five mysteries, or a decade here and a decade there, however you want to do it. But on pilgrimage, I've been in with the groups that I've been. Um, the 15 decades, the traditional Rosary is, I think, wonderfully said this way, in the sense that it's, the joyful mysteries would be said early on, oftentimes sung, and then maybe once the joyful mysteries are done, you say like a litany of Our Lady, and then chit chat, grab a granola bar or something like that, or whatever, and then or meet some people en route. You're still walking, and then later on, you kind of just decide together as a group, or if you're on your own, to do the sorrowful. Same thing, maybe followed by a litany or something. If not, that's okay, and then take a break again, enjoy the walk, and then later on you do the glorious. And then so it's just another reminder of the blessing that is the full traditional Rosary, which is, I always argue, much more doable than often people think. I think Our Lady helps us to make time for it, but it takes some time to work up to it, for sure. Our Lady of the Rosary, pray for us. God bless.